In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Analytics with HubSpot content. This is a powerful combination that allows you to track and analyze your website's performance while optimizing your marketing efforts. To get started, you'll first need to open HubSpot and log into your account if you haven't already. It's essential to ensure you're logged in, as you'll be navigating through several settings within your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find your way to the trial guide. The trial guide is like a treasure trove of resources, offering you all the tools and information needed to dive deep into form building and other key processes within HubSpot. Think of it as your GPS, helping you navigate through the features and functionalities at your disposal. With the resources handy, head back to your homepage. From there, we're going to dig into the settings, an area that holds the key to integrating various tools and optimizing your HubSpot experience. Look for the Settings option and give it a click. Once you're inside the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Content section. This section is pivotal, as it's where you'll manage everything related to the content you've crafted and published within HubSpot. After clicking on Content, you'll want to select Pages. This option directs you to where all your published pages reside, a hub for orchestrating changes and improvements to the content that engages your audience. It's within this area that the magic of integration starts to unfold. Now, within the Pages section, scroll your way to Integration. Clicking on this will bring you to an interface where you can combine HubSpot's capabilities with external tools, enriching the functionality and effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Here's where Google Analytics comes into play. You'll see an option marked Integrate with Google Analytics. Clicking on this option will set the process in motion. A prompt will appear on your screen, guiding you through the necessary steps to connect your accounts. Ensure you have your Google Analytics account information ready. This will save time and streamline the process. The prompt on your screen will walk you through the intricate steps of integration, so follow it closely and methodically. It might request permissions and require you to authenticate your Google Analytics account, establishing a secure and efficient link between the two platforms. And just like that, with your analytics ready, you'll have completed the integration process. This connection will empower you to track the effectiveness of your content, providing insights into visitor behavior and engagement metrics. With these insights in hand, you'll be better equipped to make data-driven decisions that enhance your digital marketing efforts and drive your business goals forward. And that's it for today. By integrating these two powerful tools, you'll unlock a new potential for your marketing analytics, allowing you to gain deeper insights and drive more impactful results.